Guys, so welcome back to the NickiHeartBeat channel. I'm back with this look today, this cranberry reddish eyeshadow look that I'm really feeling, you guys. I used a couple new products in this tutorial, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright y'all, I got you all in my business right now. Please don't look at my visitors that are leaving. They have overstayed their welcome and they're on their way out. So today I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Stay Don't Stray primer as per usual, and I've been using this actually to carve out my brows, and I really love this stuff for carving out my brows. I'm just feeling like they don't put a lot of product in this container. So I'm gonna start with my Modern Renaissance. It looks so dirty, you guys, because I have loved on this palette from the day that I got it. But for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna use this color right here. It's called Tempera, just because, like I always tell you guys, your brow bone needs to have its own moment. Next, for my transition color, I'm gonna use Burnt Orange, one of my favorite, oh my gosh, transition colors from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I want to do a rounded look today for you guys. You guys know my favorite clean brush to use is my Sigma E40 brush. It just has like one purpose for me, and this is it right here. That's it. Next color that I'm gonna go into is Venetian Red, and I'm gonna use my Morphe M411 brush. You guys know I love this brush for this step right here, and I'm just gonna ever so lightly start adding this beautiful reddish cranberry color in my crease. So when you're working with colors like this, definitely always be mindful of putting the eyeshadow exactly where you want it first. It's all about placing it where you want it. Then go in and blend it out, either with the same brush once all of the product or most of the product is off your brush, or you can go in with a clean brush and then blend it out. I really want this color to be mostly in my crease, but I still do want it to blend in with that really pretty orange color. So I'm going in with my transition brush, the MAC 224 brush, and I'm blending this color into the orange color. I will go back and forth between both brushes until it's to my liking. Then I'm gonna go in with Red Ochre. I think that's how you say it, Red Ochre, with the same M411 brush from Morphe, and I'm going to basically place it in the same place just to deepen up my crease just a little bit more. Okay, I decided to sit on a pillow, you guys, so I can be a little bit higher. I was feeling really short. I'm going to add this gorgeous chrome paint pot from Tarte, and it's called Fire Dancer. It looks like this. So let's go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna go back in with Red Ochre. I think that's how you say it. And I'm gonna start hugging it and just blending that pigment. So I'm gonna go back with Burnt Orange because I feel like I lost my transition color and I really want that color to peek through. So next I want to add my inner corner highlight before I put on my wing, and I'm going to be using Nylon. You guys know that is my favorite white highlight. Spray it with some Fix Plus and go ahead and pop this on in the inner corners. We want this to be extra glam. And I will have to go back over it again once I put on my foundation. But I do like to do this before I put on my wing. Next, I'm going to use number 77 from Inglot. It's a very black liner. I'm using a angled brush. It looks like this from MAC. It's their 263 brush from MAC. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop on these lashes from Almink, and they're called High Maintenance. Went ahead and finished up my lower lash line just a bit, just so that my video is not super long. Let's move on to complexion, and don't worry, these brows is not finished, just saying. I am using this new foundation from Nars. It is their Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. This color is Valencia. So this is my first time using their foundation, so I'm really excited about that. First, let's prime and prepare the face. I am going in, of course, with my Farsali. You guys already know what time it is. It's pretty much all I'm gonna do on the face. Lately, I've just been mixing my NYX Born to Glow. So I'm gonna shake up this foundation. I hope this is my right color. Ooh, it's a pump. Love pumps. Might be too much. We'll find out. Let me see. Is this my color? I think it's my color, you guys. No, I like it dark. Find out. No, that's pretty much how dark I like it. Winter pale, honey. So using my Elcie velvet sponge, I'm going to start pushing this in. When I think of the word radiant, I think of glowing. I think of dewy. Now I am planning on doing an all drugstore tutorial for you guys, and I'm just gonna give you the heads up right now that my new favorite drugstore foundation is this one right here. It's a Super Stay foundation from Maybelline. I am in the color 310. Let me tell you, go and get it, you guys. It's kind of semi-matte though, but I really wanted to try out this Nars, and I just bought it yesterday, so that's why I'm using it. So maybe next time I'll use the Maybelline. So yeah, I'm gonna put one more pump of this just in the areas that I feel needs a little bit more. But honey, if I don't like this foundation, just know it's going back. Something's going wrong with my autofocus, you guys. I really don't have the time. I don't know if I like this foundation, you guys. Maybe I shouldn't have mixed it. But I like to, when I try out foundation, I like to use it exactly how I would use it, because that's how you find out if you like it, you know what I mean? We're moving on. So I'm going in with my Becca under eye corrector. I'm gonna go in with concealer. So I think I'm gonna go in with multiple concealers today. I just picked up this Nude concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal. I usually use, what color is it? Beautiful Beige? Something like that. That's the color I usually use. They did not have that color, so I ended up picking up this Nude color, right? And it like literally is a very neutral color. Doesn't really highlight, but it's neutral. And I don't think this is one of the color corrector ones. I really don't. And I just love the color on me. So going in with my mini beauty blender, I'm just going to start blending this out. Now yesterday when I used this concealer for the first time, I forgot to put my color corrector on. So hopefully they behave well together, but we will find out, honey. Go in with my MAC Prolong Wear, NW20 and NW25. I'm gonna mix the two colors. Now I'm going to do my nose contour really quick. Favorite color for my nose is Fawn in this LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's just my favorite. So with the clean side of the Beauty Blender, I'm going to just start blending that into my eye and then downwards. Like, this is more ideal if you don't already have your eye makeup on. But like I said, I did not want to have to keep cleaning up all that eye makeup. Let me go back over it because I really like that line right here. I love it. I do like it to be a little bit thinner. I'm set my highlighted areas with this Maybelline Master Fix Loose Powder. Small M3 brush from Morphe, just MO brush from Morphe. And this is in C42 from MAC, the Studio Fix powder. I'm gonna go back in with the loose powder and just let that sit. And that just works best for me. With a stippling brush and my Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation in 173, my contour areas. Going in with a darker color. This color is 177 from Makeup Forever, to go in a little bit darker. So what I like to do is I get some on my brush like that. Then I'm working from my palette. I'm going to get that, and then I'm going to just start just so slightly working that into my contour area. I'm not gonna be doing like a strong contour line. I don't think I am. I'm doing more of a pushing motion, like a buffing in motion. I'm not really doing any wiping because I don't want to get rid of the work that I've already done. But I really want this to look very blended. I'm gonna set everything because I'm fairly happy with the coloring. So I'm gonna take my MAC NC25 powder and I'm going to just push it right here to brighten up this area. Favorite contour brush, my Japanese brush, and my NC42 again. That's my all over face color. Now I'm gonna add some blush. I'm using Radiant Blush Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Looks like that. So I'm gonna go in with the top two. I always just go in with the top two. I really don't mess with the bottom two. You can always go back in with your contour brush and just make sure everything is seamless. Next, I'm going to add, I got a couple new things this week, you guys, and one of the new things that I got is this Inglot Sparkly Dust Face, Eyes, and Body shimmery type situation. I can put this all over my body. Best believe I will be using this for Valentine's Day. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the back of the lid. This color is number 6. That's pretty. Now it's time to get rid of all this loose powder and finish the look. I'm going to use my NC45 to get rid of this loose powder on my face. I like to use this brush. It's similar to the brush I use to contour my nose, but this is a MAC 227 brush. Use this brush to wipe away everything. This is a Sigma F35 brush. So wipe it all away. And I do have some powder on here. So I'm going to use this Inglot powder on my nose with a pencil brush. Okay, my hair, yeah. All right, you guys, so I'm back to finish the lips and to finish the look. I'm really feeling this eye. I'm gonna go in with Soar from MAC. For some reason, I'm really feeling like putting on a metallic lip with this. I don't know why, that's what I'm feeling. So I'm gonna go in with this metallic lipstick from Smashbox, and it's called Petal Metal, and I'm just going to put this right in the center. Let's see what. So this is the finished look. Okay, and I'm feeling it, you know what I mean? I really am. I'm really liking this cranberry look. Guys, this could be your Valentine's Day look. I mean, hey, I'm just saying. But I'm really feeling all the new products that I used today, except this one, this Nars Radiant Foundation. I don't know if I like it. When I had it on by itself, I was like, do I like this? I don't know if I like it. You know, so I'm definitely going to try it out one more time, and then if that does not work, I'm going to return it. I really like this Inglot Sparkling Dust Face Eyes and Body Powder. This is in the color number 6. We'll definitely be putting this one to use, and you get a lot, you guys. You get a lot, so definitely check that out. And then I really like the Fire Dancer eyeshadow that we use on the lid from Tarte. I really do like that too. So yeah, but I really am so glad that you guys were able to stay to the end, and I hope that I see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys.